Hi, I am Thibaut and this is the first video about the metrological toolbox and how to use it. In this video we'll see its main structure and the first kind of analysis it allows, the division table you can see on the screen. As you can see, the metrological toolbox is a basic Excel file composed by 4 sheets and several VBA macros. It implies that the macros need to be activated in order to use MetroTB. The first sheet contains the values you want to analyze, and the 3 others correspond to 3 different kinds of analysis you can do with MetroTB. The same color coded is used for the whole file, and basically the blue color means that the cells can be filled and modified manually, but don't touch the black and gray ones, which contains formulas and other elements permitting to compute the data. So now let's see how to use the division table. Firstly, you need to fill the sheet's values with the data you want to analyze. Here I use the sample of data coming from my PhD thesis. It corresponds to scale weights found in Iberian Peninsula and dated to the late Iron Age. As you can see, we have 3 types of information: the names of the different elements of the sample, the dating of these elements, and finally their masses, which are the most important data, in other words, the metrological data we seek to study. The names are not essential, and we can put 3 different metadata. Here I use only one, the dating. Once you have filled this table, you can use it directly for the 3 different analyses. So let's see the division table. Studying a small set of scale weights, you can expect to have a unit and integer multiples of this unit. The purpose of the division table is to focus on such a ratio by highlighting the arithmetical links between the different elements of the sample. So the first step pastes the studied value on one column and one line. The metadata are not present, but you can show them or hide them. The second step, calculate the division of each entry of the column by each entry of the line. The third step aims to color the results depending on their proximity with integer. Here we can see, for example, that the weight curve P have interesting relationships with 2 weights, which have a mass equaling 2 times curve P. 2 other weights have a mass equaling 3 times curve P, and so on. The division table is a good tool to quickly see where the integer multiples of one element are inside the samples, but is poorly adapted for the study of large samples, as the example I took. In order to go further, we will use 2 other methods: the cosine quantogram analysis and the frequency distribution analysis.